We have the population of 12 of the 50 U.S. states and millions of people put in order for us. We want to first find Q1, the median, Q3, and the interquartile range. So we have 12 values, so the median will be the average of the two middle values, which in this order data set, the two middle values will be this one and this one. So we end up with a median being 2.953 plus 3.524, and then average those. That is going to give us 3.2385. Then that has now divided the data set into two sets of 6. This set of 6 and this set of 6. Since we have 6 and 6, both Q1 and Q3 will be the median of their respective 6 values. So Q1 will be the average of the two middle values up top, 1.315 plus 1.813 over 2, giving us 1.564. And then Q3 will be the average of these two middle values, 5.504 plus 6.207 over 2, giving us 5.8555. So the IQR is Q3 minus Q1, so 5.8555 minus 1.564 being 4.2915. To see if we have any outliers, we need to find the fences, which were Q1 minus 1.5 IQRs and Q3 plus 1.5 IQRs. So plugging everything we already have into here, we get 1.564 minus 1.5 times 4.2915, and then 5.8555 plus 1.5 times 4.2915. So our fences are at negative 4.873 and 12.293. Okay, so if we have any data values outside these fences, those are considered outliers. In our data set, we obviously do not have any negative populations, so nothing on the lower end. But if we look beyond 12.293, we do have this data set, our data value in our data set that is an outlier. So we get one outlier on the right end, which is 22.472. We want to draw a box plot then. So this will be sort of rough. On the bottom, we need the scale of the data. So going from like 0 to above 22. So I will do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And we have to get at least past 22. So we'll go up to 25 here. So the box part of the box plot comes first, where we do the Q1 at 1.564, so about right here. Median 3.23, so about right here. And then the Q3 at 5.855, so about right here. Those make the box piece of our box plot. Then we locate where the fences are. We don't actually draw them. Okay, so we know they're at the negative end in that 12.293. We had one outlier over here at about 22. And then finally, we need to draw the whiskers. The whiskers go to the lowest and largest data values that stay in the fences. So the lowest data value within the fence is the 0.506, so that's where we draw this whisker. On the upper end, we don't draw all the way to the 22. That got chopped off. This next one, this 8.685, was the largest value in our data set that stayed within this fence. So we draw the other one to 8.685, which is about right here. And if we sort of draw a curve over this, we can see because of that outlier that we have a distribution here that is right skewed.